What are the ecological impacts of plastic marine pollution? Now there are several. There's entanglement, and we found this net just recently in our North Atlantic crossing. There's lots of life living under it, but it's not uncommon to see marine mammals entangled and snared by lost derelict fishing netting, but also when you find finer mesh netting to capture fish. Remember, a net that's lost at sea doesn't stop fishing. That's entanglement. There's also ingestion. Here are some cigarette lighters pulled out of the stomachs of Laysan albatross on Midway Atoll. And these are coming directly from Japan, China, Southeast Asia, but also North America. They're coming across and whipping around the North Pacific Central Gyre, washing up on Hawaii's beaches. Animals will eat plastics, thinking they're food. Then they develop this false sense of satiation, thinking they're full when they're not. They may lose their fat stores, body mass, which might make them vulnerable to other impacts. Also, it's happening on land as well. Here is a bird's nest that was found. It has like the Easter basket sort of straw you find in commercially available, a rubber band, and this may cause entanglement also of animals on land. There are two other things: invasive species and changes in the populations of organisms. When I say population, I mean that plastic, it creates a new habitat in the oceans, these sort of floating reefs. We have found some organisms like Halobates, the only insect to walk on the ocean surface, now has more plastic to lay more eggs, and their populations have increased. The other impact is invasive species. Plastics, unlike other floating debris, like coconuts and logs, plastics can cross from one continent to another, whereas wood cannot. So plastic allows organisms living on one coastline to cross the entire ocean to get to another coastline, another continent. And that causes invasive species to invade other ecosystems. So those are the impacts: entanglement, ingestion, invasive species.